This video will show you how to do some basic length and angle measurements. This is a engine block dataset, and we would then measure some length, get some profile data, and get angle measurements. Now, in order to do simple length measurements, let us say we want to get distance between these 2 points here. Let's add a point. Use shift and left click to add a point, shift and left click to add another point. So we have got 2 points here. Now press space bar. So space bar will bring the command help, and now we will add the path. So that's the path we will add. So path. So we have added the path, and if you hover over the path, you will get the distance between these 2 points. Now the voxel unit is used for giving the units for the length. We can change the voxel unit here. So this is millimeters. So for example, if we do say micron here, then the symbol will not change according to the voxel unit. So let's go back to millimeters. So this is this, and this is the voxel size here. Suppose we change the voxel size, say let's make it 222, or say 1.1, 1.1, 1.1, then the length will change automatically. Okay, now if we want to display the length permanently, now observe that only when we hover over this path do we get the length. So what we can do is now press space bar while hovering over the path and click display path length. Let us change the text color to something dark. Okay, so it displays the path length. Now the path length is displayed very close to this line. Let us change that distance. By default it is 10. Let's say make it 50. So it displays the path length like that. Now if we want to remove the points on this line path, press P. P will toggle the points. So P is toggling the points. So this is the distance. We can keep the same color. Okay, now this is for just 2 points. Now let's see what happens if we want, for example, path along distance along this line here, curved line. So let's add points here. Left mouse button and shift click. We are adding points along this path here. Okay, now that we have added the points, let's add path. So press space bar and then give path. So this is the path that we have created. Let's smooth it. Now this is the distance for that path. Let's smooth it. So the smoothness factor, let's keep it 5. You can see, let's change the color here. Okay, now I've changed the color and I would like to change the path. So just hover over the path and you can change the points interactively. Okay, and we can also add the points. Just click on the path and you can add a point there. Okay, so now this is the path that we have, and we would like to measure distance over that. I'm pressing P to remove the points on the path. So P to remove the points on the path. P basically toggles the points, display of these points. So this is the path that I have, and now let's turn on the distance length, display the length. So this is the display. Let me just move that to say 50. So you can give plus or minus. Let me show you. If it is plus, it's on one side. If it is minus, it's on the other side. So this is the length of this path here. So you can get path length, or you can actually measure the distances along a straight line or as well as along a curved path here. Now let's see how we can get the angles. Again, we will add the points. Left shift click, left shift click, and left shift click. So we have added 3 points. Again, space bar, path. So this is the path. Let me change the color of that, say green. Let me also change the text color, and I will change this. I'll set this display angle, and we get the angle. So this is the angle between these 3 points, and when we change that, the angle will change interactively. So you can do that and you can get the angle. So this is how you can get path lengths and angles. Path and then display angle. Let me change that to black, text color some dark, and this is the angle.